Hi, it's Brad again from T.CON, and today I'm going to show you an additional aspect of our tool, MES Cut. So, if you take a look at the screen, you can see here one of our work centers with the various different functionality. And what we know is a lot of our customers are producing worldwide with various different cultures involved at one production site, or there's also the aspect that maybe IT is from one country and they have a production site in another country that speaks another language. So how do they help on the work center if there's an issue that comes up? And for that, we've come up with a solution. So here you can actually on the fly switch between various different languages. So in this case, I have two set up. So I'm currently in English, as you can see, and I can switch on the fly to German. So everything is then populated in German, and we can switch back to English. So that's a helpful tool for companies that are producing worldwide in various different cultures and in various different languages. In future videos, I'll go into more in-depth detail about functions that we have in MES Cut. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.